In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename documents in Pandadoc. Renaming your documents clearly is a small step that makes a big difference, especially when you're managing lots of proposals, contracts, or templates. A clear name helps you and your team quickly find the right file, avoid confusion, and keep your workspace organized. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to change a document name in the current Pandadoc interface, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, start by opening the document you want to rename. You can do this from your Pandadoc dashboard or from whatever folder you're working in. Just click once on the document so it opens in the main editor view. Make sure you're in the correct document because the name you're about to change is the one that appears at the top of this screen. Once the document is open, look up to the top left corner of the Pandadoc editor. There, you'll see the current document title. This is usually the name you set when you first created the document or the default name that Pandadoc assigned. This title area is actually editable, but it's not always obvious until you click it. Go ahead and click directly on the document title in that top left area. When you do, the title will become an editable text field. You'll see your cursor appear, and the existing name will be highlighted or ready for you to change. Now type in the new name you want for your document. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive and consistent with how your team names files. For example, you might include the client name, the type of document, and a date or version number. Clear naming now will save you time searching later. After you've typed the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Pandadoc will update the title right away, and you should see the new name appear in the top left corner. From this point on, when you view your list of documents in Pandadoc, this updated name is what you'll use to identify it. That's all there is to it. Open the document, click the title, type your new name, and press Enter. With this simple workflow, you can quickly clean up document names and keep your Pandadoc workspace organized and easy to navigate.